There. It's out of the way now. Okay, thank you. Oh. And they just overload the bag like this. How do you expect that thing to stay closed when it's overloaded like that? Okay, all set. Yeah, you're welcome. No, thank you. All right. Good.
If you guys picked up the order.
That's one. There you go. Have a good night. Thank you.